Happy Monday, guys! Check natin what's in their carts on a Monday morning. Ito ay ang ating enemy Ford stem V2. So, dalawang sizes yan, guys. Isang 40 mm at saka isang 50 mm. Itong ating bottle cage na The Project. Meron na siyang kasamang screw. Dalawa yung inner reserve. Replacement tubes. Yan, meron tayo. Ito ay size 18. Leo brand. This is a Philippine brand yan. Leo. Tried and tested. Then, itong ating cup natin na God and Famous. Yan. And ating bar ends. Ito yung bar ends natin. God and Famous. So, marami kaming selection ng God and Famous items. You can check it out sa ating website, bmxcyclecenter.com. And available din siya sa Lazada. Then itong ating The Project na brake shoe. So, two colorways yan. Ito yung black, and then meron tayong red-black combination. And springs para sa enemy hub natin. Also, itong ating Pucha na reflector. Handmade and handcrafted by Pucha. Also, itong ating spacer. Spacer na The Project. So, set of 3, isang 5, 10, at saka 15 mm. It also comes in polished silver. Silver yung set. Also, meron din tayong order sa tires. Ito ay Leo tires. Size 20, 1.75. Ito, for packing natin. We also have J Gold. This is going to Puerto Galera. Good morning, guys, and have a great day!